Hello, safety warriors. Welcome back. It's great to see you. Today, we will explore the wonderful world of road signs. Do you know what are road signs? Road signs or traffic signs are signs erected at the side of or above roads to give instructions and provide information to road users. There are majorly three categories of road signs: mandatory signs, cautionary signs, informatory signs. Great job, safety warriors! You are now ready to learn more about the road signs. First, let us learn some of the mandatory signs. Have you seen this sign before? This is one of the most important and prominent road signs. This sign indicates that the driver should immediately stop. Usually police, traffic and toll authorities use this sign at the checkposts. Now let's see this sign. This sign signifies that entry is prohibited for all vehicles. This could be entry to a restricted area or no traffic zone. The driver must obey it and divert its route. Next is this sign. Whenever you see this sign, it means that the movement of the pedestrian is restricted on the road or in the adjoining area. This could be lane for fast moving vehicles, highways, etc. You will see these signs mostly at intersections. Alternate crossing arrangements will be available for pedestrians wherever these signs are installed. Can you guess what would these signs mean? Yes, you are right, my warriors. The first sign directs the drivers to not use the horn in the area. And the second sign asks the drivers to compulsory honk and let the oncoming traffic know of your presence. You would see the horn prohibited sign in the silent zones, such as areas near hospitals, schools, or army areas, where the compulsory sound horn sign would be seen at a blind turn, like the one on a hilly road. Do you ride a cycle? If yes, then these two signs are very important for you to understand. The sign in blue lets a cycle know that they have to compulsory use the designated track. They cannot cycle on any other track. It also restricts the movement of any traffic except cyclists on the track. Whereas this sign means that the entry of cyclists is prohibited in the area or on the road where this sign is installed. This is to ensure safety of the cyclists on certain roads meant for fast moving vehicles. This sign may also be seen on the pavements, which are meant for pedestrians' movement. Does this sign look familiar? Yes, this sign looks like the triangle we see for cautionary signs, but there is a difference between them. This is an inverted triangle, whereas the cautionary sign triangle is reversed. This sign is used at roundabouts, where a specific lane discipline is to be followed. This sign directs the traffic to give way to the fellow traffic on your right side. What does this sign look like? This sign signifies that there should be no movement of traffic in the designated area, either from outside or within. This is used to relieve the congestion in the area. It is also used as a pedestrian area. Do you think these signs depict the same thing or different? These signs have different meaning. The sign with blue circle and number in the middle indicated the minimum mandatory speed needed to drive on the road. It indicated the drivers that they cannot drive below the speed limit mentioned in the sign. Whereas this sign indicates the assigned speed of traffic on the road. The limit specified must be followed to avoid penal action and crashes on the road. What do you think this sign is for? This sign is no parking sign, majorly seen in cities. It prohibits the parking of vehicle in the designated area. Any vehicle parked in a no parking areas is towed away and the occupant driver is liable to penal action. Do you see all these signs? Can you try to guess what each one of them means? Well, these are all mandatory signs. They all indicate that the respective vehicle shown in the sign is prohibited from entering a designated area. This sign indicates to drivers that the entry of trucks or HMV is restricted. This sign is usually erected on narrow lanes and congested areas where entry of heavy transport vehicle could obstruct the smooth flow of traffic. It is a slow form of transport and can obstruct the free flow of traffic. Hence, certain zones have been demarcated where the entry of bulk carts is prohibited. In rural part of India, this mode of transport is still used to continue, since there are faster modes of transport than tongas. The entry of tongas is restricted on roads and in areas where they can become an obstruction to smooth flow of traffic. Hard cart, you can see them. Great job, safety warriors! Today you learned some of the important mandatory road signs and their meaning for the road users. Always remember to follow these rules whenever you see these signs.